Hello and welcome to Toothless Tesla. In this video I am visiting Macau and I want to share with you what I have seen on the EV front in Macau. I am travelling from Hong Kong towards Macau along the famous Kong-Zhuhai-Macau bridge, or HZMB, which is not just a bridge. Rather, it is a 55-kilometer bridge tunnel system consisting of 3 cable-stayed bridges, an undersea tunnel, and 4 artificial islands. It is both the longest sea crossing and the longest open sea fixed link in the world. Here I am in Macau by St. Paul's ruins. And here's a short clip of a Neo ES8 that I saw nearby. I also saw some Tesla Model 3s and one Y. But truth be told, there aren't that many Teslas here in Macau compared to Hong Kong. Next, I took a cab, and once I was inside, I noticed it was an EV. It's a BYD E6, and I started talking with the taxi driver about his car. Here's what I found out. The taxi driver complained about the running costs being more than running a diesel or ICE car. When I told him that in Hong Kong, charging EVs is generally free, he got animated and criticized the Macau government for not helping EV drivers or owners. What do you think? Please share your comments below. Thanks for watching and stay safe.